Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using the Portmas rule. Portmas rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for how we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this Portmas sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step we solve the innermost parentheses, and according to this step we have a small brackets here 7 minus 4 and we'll get 3. According to this step the brackets will require solving the deepest inside the grouping first, and now the current expression becomes square bracket 63 plus curly braces 18 divided by 3 curly braces of square bracket of minus cube root of 216 multiply by 3. Move to the next step. According to next step, parentheses are now completely removed and solve the curly braces. Now we continue working outward to the next level of brackets, which is 18 divided by 3 curly brackets, and we'll get 6. Now according to this the curly braces are fully simplified, and now the current expression becomes 63 plus 6 square bracket of minus cube root of 216 multiplied by 3. Move to the next step. According to next step we solve the square brackets and the clear final remaining brackets group, and now 63 plus 6 equals to 69, and according to this step all the brackets are cleared from this expression, and now the current expression becomes 69 minus cube root of 216 multiplied by. Now move to the next step, solve the cube root. Now the order rule require evaluating the roots and exponents next, and the cube root of 216 is equals to 6, and according to this the root is simplified to a whole number, and now the current expression becomes 69 minus 6 multiplied by 3. Now finally we perform multiplication first, and multiplication has a higher priority than the subtraction, and now 6 multiplied by 3 will get 18, and according to this the multiplication operation is complete. Now current expression becomes 69 minus 18. Now finally perform subtraction. Subtract the remaining digits, which is 69 minus 18, and we'll get the 51. The last remaining operation, and we complete final answer is 51. Now according to this expression the conclusion is following the systematic order of operations prevents calculations error, and the final evaluated value of this expression is 51. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.